Hello there. If you want to delete your Play Store search history, then this tutorial will be helpful for you to learn the process easily. This method works for all Android devices. So let's get started. First of all, open the Play Store from your device. As you can see here, there is some search history is showing here. Let's see how to delete it. Go to your profile in the Play Store. Tap on Settings. Tap on General. Tap on the Account and Device Preference. Scroll down below until you find the History tab. Now tap on Clear Device Search History. Tap on Clear History. Let's see the history of my Play Store is removed or still remains. As you can see here, after relaunching the Play Store app, all my previous search history is removed. That's it. Thanks for watching.